Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a ratio question. Now there are 44 boys and girls in Mary's class. The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is 5 to 6. How many boys are there in Mary's class? Right, so the first thing we need to figure out is the total parts. Okay, and this gives us that total part. So 5 plus 6 is we've got 11 parts. Okay, what are those parts made up of? Well, we know that 5 parts are boys and 6 parts are girls. All right, so now we need to figure out how many boys are there in Mary's class. So we know that 5 out of the 11 parts are boys, and we're going to use that. We're going to say, right, 5 out of our 11 parts are boys, and there are a total of 44 children in total, times 44 over 1. The 11 goes into itself once and goes into 44 4 times. 5 times 4 gives us 20. 1 times 1 gives us 1. So our answer is going to be 20 boys in the class. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.